How to create a Nintendo account. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you the steps on how you can create a Nintendo account. Well, to create a Nintendo account, simply head into your browser on one of your devices and head into accounts.nintendo.com. So once you're on accounts.nintendo.com, as you can see, I'm here. You can see the option here to log in. Now here, you can see create a Nintendo account at the top right, tap on it. Then for users age 13 and older, if you're 13 and older, select this particular option. Then you can see sign up with Apple or Google. I'll select sign up with Google here now, and then select the particular Google account. Now this is the quick sign up process here. Country and such, and by checking the box here, you want to agree to terms and conditions, submit it, and now your accounts will be created. Now you can see your verification code. A verification code has been sent to the email address. So you want to open up your mail, head over to your inbox, and you can see here Nintendo account verification is here, and you can see my verification code here. I'll just enter it. Then once you have entered in your verification code, your account will be created. So you can see account has been created. This is how you can create your account for Nintendo. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.